Every day, billions of us sit down at our keyboards and face a familiar instruction: explore the things you love, log in. For over 2 decades, this interface has served as the default front door to the internet for a significant portion of the global population. But stop looking at the center. Shift your attention to the bottom, where a dense jumble of fine print links goes ignored. At the very edge is the timestamp: Meta, copyright 2026. This identifies the parent corporation overseeing the infrastructure. If you read these links carefully, you'll find they describe a range of services that stretch far beyond social networking, touching on hardware, global finance, and health policy. Standing at this threshold, you are no longer just preparing to see photos of friends. You are interacting with the entry point of a reality-spanning corporate ecosystem. Look at the first cluster of links: Messenger, Facebook Lite, Video, Instagram, and Threads. This is the legacy layer. Messenger functions to map your private one-to-one communications and your personal networks. Instagram serves to map visual desires and aspirational consumption habits. And Threads captures and categorizes real-time public discourse and text-based sentiment. But then the software links end, and the directory pivots to a different category: Meta Store, Meta Quest, and Ray-Ban Meta. This is the physical bridge. These VR headsets allow the network to escape the computer screen, actively tracking the dimensions of your living room and your body's specific movements. The smart glasses pull that network into public spaces, capturing first-person audio and video during your daily routine. By combining software with this hardware, the social network has evolved to map 3-dimensional physical space in real time. This leads us to Meta Pay and Meta AI, the 2 tools that function as the invisible engine for the entire system. Artificial intelligence processes that combined social and physical data to execute frictionless, targeted financial transactions across the platforms. Tucked away in the UI footer is a jarring phrase: consumer health privacy. Curious, why does logging into a social media account require a clinical health privacy policy? The reason is inferred biometrics. The pupil dilation tracked by VR lenses and movement patterns captured by controllers are legally categorized as health data. Within this ecosystem, your interactions have biological consequences. You generate biometric data simply by interacting with the hardware. Viewed in its entirety, the 2026 login screen carries the functional weight of a binding legal contract. The prompt to create new account is an invitation to merge your digital, financial, and biological identities into one corporate database. As AI and augmented reality expand, the data collected here connects your digital identity directly to your physical presence. This brings the focus back to the final physical action required: clicking the login button. In 2026, when you choose to log in, you aren't just connecting to a network. You are formally entering a world owned by Meta.